How to organize subject on Nersapp. How to organize subject on Nersapp. Once you're logged in, you go to academic module and you go straight to subject. Once the page loads, you will be given two sections. To the left, you have managed categories, and to the right, you have managed subjects. So today we will talk about how to actually create subject, how to organize them, and we will also talk about how to position subject on a report card, how to position subject on a report card. This is a sample report, and you see that subjects are arranged in an alphabetical order. So you may want to decide that mathematics and English should appear as the first two. So we'll be showing you that. Okay, subjects are actually tied to what we call subject categories on Nersapp. So before you can create subject, you would need to actually create the categories. Okay, to create the categories, you click on new category, click on it. A form will be presented to you. The form has four sections. We have this is the first section, category name. Use the arrow on the right. The second section, this is weight. The third section is background color. The fourth section is text color. So we'll go back to the first section, which is the category name. So category actually represents a group. It's a way of grouping subject together, right? In Nigerian perspective, a category, we could have a category as local languages, and that would mean languages like Ibibio, Yoruba, and actually Igbo. So we could categorize these subjects as local languages. So I will just quickly do that. Local languages. Okay, I move to the next session. This is a weight. The weight determines just a way of showing the how important a category is. Okay, so because if you for some schools will take mathematics and English as very important, so we could create a category that actually houses the those subjects. All right, so if you don't know what to select, you can just click on the normal weight and move to the next. We have background color. That's the background color that you want the category to take, even as it is displayed on the report card. And the last section there, which is the text color, the same thing. You have to choose the color that you want. So I'm leaving mine at black. So once I'm done, you click on save. Once it is saved, you'll see the saved category in the tray below here. Okay, so we have selected the local languages category, and we can as well edit it. We can as well delete it, right? If you want to edit, you click here to edit it. If you want to delete, you click here to delete it. Now let's go ahead and add subject. Add subject. To add a subject or to create a subject, you need to select the category you want that subject to fall under. So I'm selecting the local language. Okay, as you can see, there is nothing here. I now click on the new subject button. Okay, we have three sections here. This is one out of three. Subject name, short name is the second one, and the last one is the description. Take note, any field where you have asterisks, it means that field is important. It cannot be left empty. So the subject name as a local language, I am putting Yoruba. Okay, the short name I want to use, I just want to use a short name, YOR. A description, there is no need. I don't want to put a description here. So I'll go ahead and save it. Okay, we have Yoruba here. The next language I want to put here is Ibibio. Ibibio is a local dialect in Akwa Ibom State. Okay, I'll go ahead and provide the short name. Just want to do this, IBI. I'm not putting a description. I go ahead and save it. So right now, what has happened is that under local languages, we have two subjects in that category. As you can see here under categories, two subjects in this category. The general category, we have three. If I switch here to general, I will see three words subjects in this category. And mind you, subjects are actually tied to education levels. Yes, they are specific to education levels. Right now, the primary education level is what is activated. These subjects I have added are added under the primary education level. If I want to add them under any other levels, I go and change the education level to the active one, so that I can now add them there. Okay, as you can see, the categories I created, the local language is not here, so I cannot add because this is a different level. I can as well create a new category so that it appears under this education level. But in my case, I'm working with the primary education level, and that is where we have the created local languages. All right, so that is how to organize subject categories and add subjects. So right now I will show us how to position subject accurately on a report card. This is a sample report card like I showed earlier. By default, it is being displayed on the report card alphabetically. The system displays that, but we can decide to, change how this is displayed. We can decide to do that, and the way we do that is by sorting. You see this ascending order icon or descending order icon. If I use descending order icon, the subject displayed here are actually sorted in a descending order, as you can see. I can as well use order it in an ascending manner, sort it in an ascending manner. That's it. But you can as well also drag a particular subject, okay, so as to defy the order at which it is arranged. Just like I have dragged English here, okay, I could also drag mathematics, as you can see, mathematics and English. So you just click on it and drag. You click on it and drag. That is how to sort it. But once you have finished sorting, to make the system know the current order of the sorting that you have done, you have to click on save sorting. By clicking on save sorting, you are telling the system to use the order that is arranged here. That is how to sort subject on report card.